Today I'll be opening the Samsung UE590. It's a 28-inch full UHD LED display. So that's 3,840 by 2,160. I picked this up from Best Buy for $339. Here's the top of the box. This monitor has a 1 millisecond response time to avoid blurry images. It has a 60 Hz dynamic refresh rate with AMD FreeSync, which means this monitor matches the frames on your graphics card. This will prevent screen tearing and stuttering, so your picture will be flicker free. It also has eye saver mode, which adjusts the picture to let your eyes relax. So like less blue light keeping you up at night. It has picture by picture and picture in picture mode, comes with HDMI 2.0, and it lists it's compatible with Windows 8 on the box. Let's look at the side. Says the same thing. It has AMD FreeSync technology. It's flicker free, has eye saver mode, and has picture by picture technology. It's made by Samsung. This side says the same thing. It says Samsung UHD Monitor on the bottom of the box, ultra high definition 4K, and it has a warning for cancer and reproductive harm. Might want to Google that. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, got some styrofoam here. Move that out of the way. Got the monitor and some cellophane paper. Let's take that out. Alright. Below the monitor we have our power cable. We have the warranty and instruction booklet with the necessary cables. The power cable that goes with the power supply. Let's open that up. You have a video cable there. Then you have your HDMI 2 cable here. Not exactly sure what this is. It's probably part of the monitor stand. Here we have the monitor stand itself. Take the wrapping off that. It's pretty slick. It's got nice chrome in the front. Looks like this goes right to the stand like that. Then you need to screw it in on the bottom. Turn it right to lock, left to release. Okay, now I got that screwed in there nice and tight. The stand is flush. We set the monitor up. Okay, so we're just gonna insert the monitor right in there. It's clicked in. Okay, here we have 2 HDMI ports, a video port, 3.5mm audio jack, and your power input. Just above that on the back, you got the Samsung logo and 4 bolt spots for the wall mount, if you have a wall mount. On the back side, it looks like we have a power button right here. All right, let's put the power cable together. Once you plug your power cable into the wall, plug the other end into the monitor, then plug in your HDMI cable. Alternatively, you could put in your DP cable. All right, we got the screen up and running. Here's some stock 4K footage running on the monitor. Looks pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you would like to see more videos like this, or if you'd like to see more videos about this monitor, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.